Welcome to another episode of Wicked Easy Cooking. My name's Chef Colin Roche, and today's episode is all about mango smoothies. Yum! Smoothies are awesome. Any type of smoothie, especially when it's hot outside, like it is now here, and probably in your areas or summertime. So they're refreshing, delicious, nutritious, wonderful liquid foods. So today I want to make two mango smoothies. I like them both, but at the end I do a little taste test. One has banana, one doesn't. They both have coconut milk, some ice, lime juice, stuff like that. And I'm going to try to decide which one I think is the best. But don't worry, I'll post both recipes in the comments section below as well as at the end of the video. Now, first things first, we need to gather our ingredients. And the number one ingredient, mangoes. And luckily for us here in South Florida, it's mango season. So I don't have to go to the store and buy any. I can just go pick it off the tree. So let's go on a short field trip to my front yard and let's get some mangoes off the tree. Let's go. Okay, we're heading out here into the front yard, into the hot Florida sun. Let's go find some mangoes on my tree. Now the best way to find a mango is to squeeze it, see if it's a little bit soft. You can smell it as well, if it's a little bit fragrant. And usually my brand anyway, my type of mango, they have a blush on them. So all of mine have the great, reddish purple color to them. So I know they're all pretty close. We're gonna try to find some that are ready right now before they fall off the tree or before the squirrels get them. And we're gonna make some mango smoothies in them. So let's turn this camera around so you can see all the mangoes, and then we're gonna go through them and pick them. So there's the tree. You can see all the different mangoes up there. And now we just gotta find a good mango here. Like this one here, is this one good? So what we'll do is we'll just reach up. And that one's still a little hard, so we'll let that one go. Oh, there's a big one there. Ooh, I think this one on the bottom is going to be good. You can see this one here. And it's a little hard to do. Let's keep looking. There's a lot on here. I'd rather get them as best we can. See from the ground if any have fallen yet too. See if we can find any. All right, got one right here. Now what we want to do is, instead of just pulling it off, I'm going to use my scissors and I want to cut that stem, leave a little bit on there. So I'm going to have to drop this phone here. Maybe I can catch it. There, got it. See how big that is? Awesome. Yeah, it smells good. So I'm going to get a couple of more and then we'll go back in the kitchen and make these smoothies. Okay, we got 4 pretty good mangoes here. Now, the reason why I cut them with the stem is because there's a lot of sap in them. And if you want to stop that sap from running out or staying, contained because of that stem, because one, it's sticky, it's like pitch. 2, over time it comes down on the mangoes and make black spots and stuff. So, these ones still have the stem on them, or I took them off the tree. This one too, even has a little leaf on it. But look at this one. You can see how wet it is already. Can you see it? See how wet that is? Because the stem's been broke off, so it's already leaking everywhere, and this is very sticky. So, it's good if you can cut them, especially if you're gonna let them ripen for a little while. Leave the stem on them a little bit, and that'll contain them. But boy, they do smell good. Oh yeah. So, I'm gonna wash these up. We're gonna get started. Now, when you go to the grocery store to buy your mangoes, there's probably only one variety, and that's unfortunate because according to Wikipedia, there's over 500 varieties of mangoes out there. But of course, just like most crops, there's just a few, 7, 8, that are commercially used or promoted, and that's the different types that you've probably seen out there. One of them happens to be the Tommy Atkins, which is the one I picked off my tree. And that is originally from Florida, but it's also one of the largest commercially grown crops, because it's good eating, it's really sweet, and it's what we're looking for. Another one is the Hayden. Hayden's great too. I have another tree with the Hayden. There's the Kent, the Palmer, There's a few other ones out there, honey, champagne, they call it. One of my friends down in Broward County, Dr. Seidman, he has what they call a Valencia mango, and that is my all-time favorite out of all of them. If I could get just one, it would be the Valencia, but if not, Tommy Atkins, Hayden, these are all great too. So before we get started making our smoothies, let me show you how to peel a mango. Okay, there's many ways to get the flesh out of a mango, but I'm going to show you one of the quickest, probably easiest ways. But first, before we start, you want to look at the mango and see it. It's kind of an oval, oblong shape, and inside there's a flat pit or seed in there. So, you know, this, if you look at it like maybe a fish, there's a kind of the long side here. This would be the backbone, the spine, and on each side there's the fillets, and we're going to take those off, and then there's a little bit here on the spine. So you can see it's fatter on this side, narrow on this side. So we're going to want to take off these chunks. But first we want to peel it. And the easiest way to do that is just grab a peeler and to peel down the sides. You know, just take that off. You know, go down through them, taking the sides off. Now it's going to get a little slick, a little slippery as you remove this, so I would suggest having a paper towel. And then grab the side you've already peeled and then just keep going. Again, long strokes, take that skin off. Okay. And the last one here. All right, and you can see how juicy this is. It's just, you know, pouring liquid right out of it, which is wonderful. And you can't believe how fragrant this is. It's almost like a peach, kind of in a lot of ways. Whoops, left a little bit here. Okay, so let me just move these skins off to the side here so you can see what I was talking about. Now, look up here. This is the wide side, so we're going to get two big fillets, like cheeks, off of this side. So go down through it, and then we can go to this side. We've got another side on here. And see, now you can kind of see that flat oval pit in there, but there's still some meat along the edge here, so we'll start up at the top and kind of just follow the contours of the mango down this side, and then we'll follow that on the other side as well. So, and now there's still a little bit here, so let's make sure we get it all, especially since it's going to be in a smoothie, and we can just puree it all up. Might as well get it all. And then turn it over on this side, down along that part. See, and there's the inside pit. And if you put this in the ground, this will actually grow. A lot of mine fall off the tree and I don't get them in time, and then they really self-fertilize and then they grow. But you really don't produce fruit because usually a lot of them are grafted together. So even though they will grow, you're not going to get any fruit from them. So we just throw these pits away. So now we have all the meat here. So we can just get a bowl right on this side here, and we can take this part, chop it up, and then go down through here, put that in there, and then these little cheek parts, got them, turn them, okay, and then go down this side, turn it, and cut our cubes. And this would be good for a fruit salad. You know, put it on breakfast, you know, some side of fruit with your waffles or something. Or what we're going to do is we're going to puree it all up and have it as a smoothie. One of the parts, we do want to test it. So good. Okay, I'm going to cut the rest of these mangoes, and then we're going to make the smoothie. Be right back. Okay, we have all of our mangoes peeled. We got 2 big bowls out of it, plus enough for both of these recipes here. I've got them all measured out. So we're going to do those recipes. There you can use any food processing apparatus you may have, a blender. I'm going to use this bullet here, whatever you need to puree them up. So the first one is really simple. It just has, this is a banana coconut mango smoothie. It's going to call for 2 cups of mango, cubed up. It's got 1 large banana. Chunk that up, we'll break it up and throw it in there. Then it's going to have, a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and then it's got 2 cups of ice. That's all that's in that, more of a pure one. So we'll really get to taste, hopefully, the mangoes out of it. Now the other one, which is over on this side, has 1 cup of mango. It's a little bit less there. It's got 1 cup of coconut milk. Then it's going to have some Greek yogurt in it. The recipe calls for about 1/2 cup, 4 ounces in there of Greek yogurt, vanilla, plain, whatever works for you. Then we're going to put in, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of honey. Then we're going to put in ice cubes, only like 1/2 cup in this one. And then we're going to finish it with the juice of 1/2 of a lime. So this one has a few more ingredients in it than the other one, but we're going to do a taste test and see if it goes with the pure, simple one, or the one with a few more flavors in there. So let's get started. We'll do the simple one first. So we're just going to combine all ingredients in here, and then we're going to puree it up and taste it. So last here is the banana before the ice. So just kind of break that up, chunk it up in there. I'm just going to put a little bit of ice to get it going, get it started, and then we'll go forward with that. And now I've got room, I'll add the rest of that ice. Coconut milk there. Clean all that up. Put this back on. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let me clean this up and then we'll do the next one. So we've got to put this over here next to our glasses. And then let's start the next one. So this one gets the mango into it. Okay, coconut milk. We've got ice in. We've got 3 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4. We've got the juice of a 1/2 a lime. And then our Greek plain or vanilla flavored yogurt. I can see this one's more liquidy than the other one because the other one had the banana in it that really bound it up. So let me clean this one up and then we're going to do our taste test. Okay, so we have these 2 all blended up. So now it's, as always, the proof is in the pudding. So we're going to have a taste test. So myself, but I'm also going to bring in Finnegan. You may remember him from other videos. Finn, come on in here. Let me pour this out. Okay, we got one. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to everybody. All right. So this is our one with the banana in it, and this one is with the yogurt and the lime. Now they're both good, but we're trying to figure out which one's the best. All right, so here we go. Try that one first. That's with the banana. Give it a big sip. Okay, now try this one. This one's with the yogurt. I'm kind of torn.
I think the banana one.
You like the banana one better? Okay, so banana coconut mango smoothie for Finn. or just the coconut mango smoothie with the Greek yogurt in it. Either one, I'm gonna post them both, you try them out, and let us know what you think. Put it in the comments section which one you think is better, or are they both equal. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. We'd love to have you as part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.